Hello everyone, welcome to Lady B Gardening. I hope you're doing very well. Today I'm going to show you how I do my garlic. I bought some organic garlic from Asda a couple of weeks ago, and what I did was put them in water, and now they've grown like this. So I've got a couple of bulbs in here. So they're already telling me they need to go into the ground. So I need to put them in the ground now. Should have done that like last month, but I was just so busy. So I'm going to put them in the ground. But I will show you what I've done, because you have to separate all this bulb. When you separate them, this is how one of them look like when I took them out. Trying to show you how they will look like. So one of them look like this. This is how they will look like. You can see it's already got roots, and this is the leaves. So what I need to do is separate them, and I've already separated one to show you how they look like. So let me show you. So when you separate them, this is how they look like. And I've got 13 of these. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this is 13 in a bulb. So these are 13 cloves. So what I'm going to do is insert each one of them inside the hole, and that's how you have from clove. When they grow, germinate, they form a bulb. So it'll be like from cloves to a whole bulb like this. So in this you should get 13 garlic from this. So I'm going to show you how I put them in the ground. And okay, let's go to the ground. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've dug the holes where the garlic is going to go into. So these are the ones I'm going to be planting. I'm going to put them into the holes. In terms of spacing, because I've been going garlic now, this will be my 5th year, I just kind of gauge it. So in terms of spacing, I don't really know. I think it's about 10-15 centimeters, but this is how I grow it anyway, because I've been doing this for long, so I kind of have an idea what I need to do. So what I do is I just take one clove and I just put it into the ground with the root like that, and you just cover them up. To the next one, you just go to the ground and you just cover it up. Garlic is pretty easy to grow. One of the easy plants to grow. And you just put them all the way to the ground. Make sure it's a bit deep, then just cover it up. Because take it to the ground, all the way to the ground, cover it up. I'll show you one more. This is the cloves, and you just put them into the ground. And once you finish them, just water it, spray them with water, and that's it. And let them do their own thing. So you should be looking at this to harvest around August, September. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I'm happy to help. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.